Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. This is my bias on US30. So let's go. So first of all, let's identify these areas of liquidity. Some of you that trade support and resistance can actually call here. Is it the support? I don't know, you guys stuff. I don't really trade support and resistance, so let's talk about these are areas of liquidity. So liquidity has been swept. Look at the liquidity sweep. The candle that swept actually caused or that swept liquidity. So liquidity has been swept and you have a downward movement, a momentum push. Look at this candle, this momentum push with this candle. So this let me delete this shit. So let me show it now. So here now is our order block. Yeah, here now is our order block. So order blocks. Order block. So this particular zone is our order block. So look at this market structure shift. There was a market structure shift here. Okay. This boy. Market structure fuck man. Market structure shift. So on what I'm really expecting on the US to happen on the US30 is I want price to pull back to this zone here, to this order block. We test it and kind of come back here. Then I might see a potential fair value gap before the downward push down here. So I'm expecting to see a fair value gap around this zone. A possible fair value gap around this zone. Maybe the fair value gap might not be formed. Price might actually try to push down. So without creating a fair value gap. But here is our order block. I've already set my sell limit here, and I'm risking 1% to make 3%. That's actually my stop one, my bias on the US30. So on my previous video, my bias on Euro USD, I was stopped out at break even. Kind of took small, and this week I've been on massive fucking drawdown. But I pray I said next, and this week I've been in a massive drawdown. So I pray by next week will be a better week. Yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Click on the link on my bio to check out if you want to buy a prop firm to check out to get an evaluation account. So thank you for watching. So here another thing, my take profit will be around this zone, this low here. So let's go. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Boom. Peace out.